Okay, dear students, let us start 3.3 exercise. Okay, whatever the concepts required for 3.3 exercise, we have studied already in last class. This class, we will start 3.3 exercise, but plenty of problems are there, 12 questions are there. Let us try to finish up to 6 questions. Okay, let us see what is first question. Exercise 3.3. Find the transpose of. See, we have seen transpose, symmetric matrix, symmetric matrix like that only. Okay. See, transpose we have to find. We know very well transpose means row should be made into column. That's all. Okay, simple. Let us do one by one. Three parts are there. First part, second part, third part, like that we will do. Okay. Now you see in your examination or notebook what you have to write. First part you take, let A is equal to this thing. A transpose A dash is equal to, like that you have to write. B is equal to B transpose is equal to C is equal to C transpose is equal to, like that you have to write. Okay. Let us take these are A, B, C. Okay. I am writing here A, B, C. But you have to write let A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to, like that you have to write. Now finally what you have to write? Transpose. See, A transpose is equal to. Okay. Now see, this is column. Now it is going to become row. Why? Because see, three rows should become three columns. I am making three rows. You see, 5 1 by 2 minus 1. 5 first row first column I have made. Second row I have made it second column. Third row I have made it third column. Is it okay? Finally, if one single column is there, then single row it is going to become. Any single row is there, that is going to become single column. Okay. Now we have finished this first part. Let us see second part. Okay. Now second part is B dash or B transpose. Okay. Now this is 2 by 2 matrix. And better you put some line arrow. Okay. Now you make a row into column 1 minus 1 2 3. Okay, this will be your B transpose, transpose, B transpose, A transpose, A dash, B dash. Transpose you call, that is better word. Okay. Now second part also have finished. Let us go for third part. Third part. Third part we have taken this as a C. Now C transpose is equal to. Okay. You put arrows also. You see these arrows are there, then it will be easy for you. Okay. Write row into column minus 1, 5, 6. Root 3, 5, 6. 2, 3, minus 1. Okay. This will be your third answer. Answer for third part of this first question. Okay. You understand that transpose means simply make row into column. Row, column. Okay. That's all. Rows you convert into columns. Okay. Let us go for second question. See the second question. Second question contains two parts, but data is only one data. A matrix they have given, B matrix they have given, and these two are 3 by 3 matrices. 3 by 3 matrices. And this is a property. We know this property. We have verified this with 2 by 2 matrix in concepts. But I said 2 by 2 we will do in exam exercise, all 3 by 3 are going to come back. You see now 3 by 3 has come. Okay. Now immediately we can grasp all concepts and 3 by 3 matrix. See, 3 by 3 will be final for us in examination. Okay. A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. First let us finish first part. We will prove. We have to prove. Verify. Verify means verification. Okay, let us do verify. Okay. Now let me take this one, first one. See what we have to do here. See, like LHS, RHS we will do. LHS this side we will do. RHS this side we will do. This is RHS line. Okay. For RHS, you see A transpose, B transpose, separate you have to do. You are having A and B here in front of you only. Okay. Now put some arrows. Okay. Now first point, you see for LHS, first you have to do A plus B, then afterwards you have to do transpose. Two steps are there. First step is A plus B. Let us do A plus B. A plus B is simple only. -1 plus -4, -5. Okay. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 5 is -2. Okay. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. -2 plus 1, -1. Okay. Plus addition we are doing. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. See, this will be A plus B. Now what you have to do? You have to do A plus B transpose. That means you have to transpose this again. Transpose it. A plus B whole transpose is equal to. Okay. Now this row should become column. -5, 3, -2. Second row should become second column. 6, 9, 9. Third row should become third column. -1, 4, 2. Okay. This will be final LHS. A plus B whole transpose. Let us go for B. Now RHS. Now you see A transpose, B transpose, you have to add, but always you keep this left side first, right side next. Okay. Whether it may be plus, minus or multiplication, that is good practice. Okay. See, A transpose I am making first. A transpose is equal to. A transpose is equal to. You see, this row should become column. Make it column. -1, 2, 3. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. Then -2, 1, 1. -2, 1, 1. Okay. Now B transpose also you have to keep. B transpose you keep. B transpose. You see some comma you keep. B transpose. Okay. You see -4, 1, -5. -4, 1, -5. 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1. Okay. Now you got these two matrices. Now what you have to do? Addition of these two matrices, transposed matrices you have to add. Okay, let us add. A transpose plus B transpose is equal to. Okay. -1 plus 4, -5. 5 plus 1, 6. -2 plus 1, -1. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 minus 5, -2. 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, now we close it. Now you compare these two. A plus B whole transpose is this one. A transpose plus B transpose is this one. You compare these two. -5, 6, -1. -5, 6, -1. 3, 9, 4. 3, 9, 4. -2, 9, 2. -2, 9, 2. What you have to do finally? LHS is equal to RHS verified. You have to write verified. Why? Because he asked verified. Verify, then you said verified. LHS is equal to RHS verified. Okay. Okay. Now see, this is first part of this question. First part of second question. Now we will do second part also. See, before proceeding, for second part, A transpose, B transpose are required. That is why you don't rub these two. Okay. But second part, A minus B transpose is required. A plus B doesn't require. This entire thing is going to be removed. This is going to be removed. Okay. But these two we should not remove. You understand? Nah? Why? Because these two already we have done. Again we are going to utilize this. Okay. Okay. Now you see, A minus B whole transpose is there, LHS I am going to do here, but before that you have to do A minus B. A minus B means A minus B, here you have to write. Two steps. So first you take A minus B, then transpose. A minus B transpose. Okay, then we go for RHS. Let us do it. A minus B is equal to, okay, minus 1, this time minus of minus 4 means plus 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus of minus 5 is 8. 3 plus 5. Okay. 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. A minus B whole transpose. Now let us do A minus B whole transpose. This is A minus B. A minus B whole transpose, you require LHS, you see? Okay. Now these rows you have to make as columns. Let us make 3, 1, 8. 3, 1, 8. First row become first column. Second row 4, 5, 9. Second row will become second column. Minus 3, minus 2, 0. Minus 3, minus 2, 0. Third row is going to become third column. Okay. Now this side, LHS side is over. Let us do RHS. RHS, what they have written, you see, A transpose minus B transpose. This is A transpose, this is B transpose. Let us do subtraction, difference. A transpose minus B transpose is equal to, okay, okay. Now also you see minus 1, minus of minus 4, plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. 5 minus 1 is 2. Minus 2, minus 1 is minus 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 3 minus of minus 5 is 8. 9 minus 0 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay? Okay. Now this is RHS. A transpose minus B transpose is this one. A minus B whole transpose is this one. Now let us compare these two. LHS and RHS. 3, 4 minus 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. I have done mistake here. Okay. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. 3, 4 minus 3. 3, 4 minus 3. 1, 5 minus 2. 1, 5 minus 2. 8, 9, 0. 8, 9, 0. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Verified like that you have to write. Right? LHS is equal to RHS. Verified. Okay. Okay. Hence proved also not wrong. Hence proved also not wrong. But normally when they ask to verify, then you write verified. Okay. Now we finished these two parts of this second question. Let us go for third question. Third question. Here also, if you observe carefully, this is matrix B, but this is not matrix A. This is transpose of A. That you have to keep in your mind. Transpose they have given. That means first you have to do conversion of this transpose to normal matrix. A transpose whole transpose is A. You have to convert it into A. Why? Because see, two parts they have given to ask verify. A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Like last question only, but these two. But here they have given A transpose, and these are not 3 by 3. You see, this is 3 by 2. This is 2 by 3. Okay. Then we can accustom with all these concepts. 2 by 2 in example we have, sorry, in concepts I have done. 3 by 3 last question we have done, and here also 3 by 2 or 2 by 3 we are doing. Okay, let us do it. But before that, first part we will do. Then we will rub and go for second part. Okay. You see, this is A transpose. Let us convert it into A. Okay. What I am writing, you see, A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. That is equal to this one. Okay. Now convert this A. 3, 4, second, first. Okay. You see, first row became first column. Second row will become second column. Third row will become third column. Now it has become 2 by 3 matrix. Now B also same thing is there. Okay. Shall we write? Yes, let us write. Comma B. B also is there. Minus 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay. These two are matrices for you. Okay. Now what you have to do? First of all, see here also LHS, RHS like you take separate. Let us do first A plus B. A you are having, B you are having. A plus B, then you will transpose LHS. Okay. Let us do it. A plus B is equal to. Okay. Now you see addition we are doing here. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. Okay. See, this is A plus B only. But you want A plus B transpose. Let transpose this. A plus B whole transpose is equal to. What is going to become? This row is going to become column 2, 1, 1. Second row is going to become column 5, 4, 4. Okay. Okay. These two are, see, this is the LHS. A plus B whole transpose. Now let us do A transpose plus B transpose. See, A transpose already we are having. We need not do again. A transpose just to copy here. Let us write A transpose is equal to this one. 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Now B transpose you do. Comma. B transpose. See, this is comma. B transpose you have to do. B transpose. Let us do, see, this is row. You have to make it as column. Minus 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? These two rows should make a column. Now you can do what you have to do. A transpose plus B transpose. These two you have to add RHS. Let us add A transpose plus B transpose. Write down once again. A transpose plus B transpose is equal to. Okay. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. Okay. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Okay. Now, let us compare these two. A plus B whole transpose, A transpose plus B transpose. 2, 5, 2, 5. 1, 4, 1, 4. 1, 4, 1, 4. What you have to write finally? You have to write LHS is equal to RHS verified. Write down. LHS is equal to RHS verified. But because verify is asking, then verified also you can write. What is this? This is the first part. Second part also you have to do. See, data for A and B are both same. That is what you have to do. See, A, B, A transpose, B transpose you should not disturb. But because again you are going to use A, B, A transpose, B transpose here. Okay. These four you should not disturb. Only these three. 1, 2, 3. These three you have to rub and do again. Okay. Let us do it. Okay. Now see, now this part is over. Now we are doing this part. Second part. Second part LHS is A minus B whole transpose. For that first what you have to do? You have to do A minus B. Let us do it. A minus B is equal to. See, A is this one, B is this one. Okay. 3 minus of minus 1, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 3, minus 2. Okay. This is A minus B only. But what you want? You want A minus B whole transpose. Let us write A minus B whole transpose. A minus B whole transpose is equal to This rows you have to make columns. Okay. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3 minus 1. 3 0 minus 2. 3 0 minus 2. Okay. Okay. You see this? A minus B whole transpose. Okay. Let us go this side. This is final LHS. And A transpose minus B transpose RHS you have to do. But A transpose and B transpose you are having. Just you have to make a subtraction or difference. Let us do it. A transpose minus B transpose is equal to. Okay. Now 3 minus of minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay. Now you compare these two. A minus B whole transpose, A transpose minus B transpose. A minus B whole transpose, A transpose minus B transpose. 4, 3, 4, 3. Minus 3, 0, minus 3, 0. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Then what you have to write? You have to write LHS is equal to RHS verified. Write down. LHS is equal to RHS verified. Okay. Now we have finished or completed third question also. Let us go for fourth question. Okay. See the fourth question. In this question also, if you carefully observe, here A they have not given. They have given A transpose. But this is 2 by 2 only, simple, very simple. We can do B they have given. They have not given B transpose. And C, finally also A transpose you don't require. You require A plus 2B whole transpose. Find. Okay. What you have to do? First you have to convert this A transpose into A. You have to multiply scalar 2B. A plus 2B you have to do. Then finally you have to transpose it. Okay. This is very easy question. Let us take this. First what you have to find? You have to find A. You see how I am doing? A transpose whole transpose is equal to A, that is equal to. Okay. Now what you are doing? Minus 2, 3, 1, 2. This is 2 by 2. You did not write arrows, what I feel. Okay. Minus 2, 3. First row, first column, second row, second column has become. Again you write side by B also. No, don't write B. Now see, directly see B is there in front of you. Why can't you make a scalar 2B directly? Write 2B rather than B. I am writing 2B. You see 2B directly. Okay. Why? Because this is 2 by 2, very easy. Minus 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Why? Because we have found 2B. Now A plus 2B. A, 2B both are having. You first add these two. Let us do it. A plus 2B is equal to A plus 2B is equal to A plus 2B. Okay. Let us add minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 1 0 1 3 2 5 2 4 6. Okay. What is this? This is A plus 2B. Okay. What you want? A plus 2B transpose you want. Let us write A plus 2B transpose. Okay. Transpose this. Minus 4, 1, 5, 6. Okay. This will be your final answer. Shall we go for fifth question? Okay. See the fifth question. For the matrices A and B matrix they have given. Verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. This we know, we have seen this even with 2 by 2 I have seen in concepts. Now they are giving 3 by 1, 1 by 3. Okay. Let us see. See, two parts are there. This is first part and second part also we are going to take after finishing of this one. Okay. Now what they have given, you see, A is 3 by 1 matrix. 1 minus 4, 3. B is 1 by 3 matrix. Minus 1, 2, 1. Okay. Now see, A cross B, AB is possible? Yes, definitely possible. See here, columns 1, row 1, possible. That is why we can do it. When AB possible, then AB transpose also possible. That is one. RH side, what you have to do? RHS side, you have to do B transpose first, then A transpose. then you multiply both, then finally these two should become equal. It will become equal. That is a property. Okay. Okay. Let us do, and let us draw line. LHS, RHS separate we will do. LHS this side, RHS this side. LHS side, what you have to do? You have to do AB first multiplication. Okay. Let us do AB. Simply observe here. This is a bigger matrix will come multiplication. Okay. Be careful. You see, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 1 into 2 is 2. These here we have to write. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. First row, third column. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Minus 4 into minus 1, 4. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Minus 4 into 1, again minus 4. Okay. Then 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 1, 3. Okay. This will be your AB. What you have to do? AB transpose you have to do. Now you put arrows for transpose. Put arrows. Now you transpose. AB transpose is equal to or AB whole transpose. Okay, now this row will become column. Minus 1, 2, 1. Second row will become second column. Third row will become third column. This is LHS. What you have to do here? You have to do B transpose into A transpose. See, for doing this, what you have to do? First you write B transpose, then you write A transpose. Why? Because see, like that it should be. Okay? Okay, write down first B transpose. B transpose is equal to, you see this row B is going to become column. Minus 1, 2, 1. Okay. This is B transpose. Now let us write A transpose also by side. A transpose is equal to, A transpose only single column is there, it is going to become a row. Why? Because the first row, this row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. Like that it is going to become. Okay, you understand now? 1 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 4, 3. Now you see you have got B transpose, A transpose, B transpose, A transpose. Both you have to multiply. Let us do multiplication. See, like here, this is a bigger multiplication is going to come. Let us do it. B transpose A transpose is equal to, okay, you see, minus 1, okay, plus 4, okay, minus 3, okay, 2, minus 8, 6, 1, minus 4, 3. Okay. Now you compare these two. AB whole transpose, B transpose into A transpose. Minus 1, 4, minus 3. Minus 1, 4, minus 3. 2 minus 8, 6. 2 minus 8, 6. 1 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 4, 3. What you can write? Verified. LHS is equal to RHS. Verified like you can write. Okay. This is first part of this question. For second part, AB are going to change. Only this you have to prove. AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay. Let us go for second part also. Okay. See the second part now. A, B they have given. Okay. Here also you see this is 3 by 1. This is 1 by 3 matrices. Okay. Both. What you have to do? AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose, A transpose. You have to prove. Verify. Verify. This also, LHS you do this side and RHS do this side. RHS is B transpose into A transpose. LHS is AB whole transpose. Let us do, you line, put one line for LHS, RHS separately. First what you have to do? You have to do AB. Okay. Let us do AB. A into B. Okay. AB is equal to first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, like that you have to do. You see, when you are multiplying 0, all are going to become 0. So, okay? Okay. This is the answer. First row. Now you second row also, 1 is there, 1 with multiplication means all are going to come same. 1, 5, 7. Okay. Okay. Now you see, with 2 means 2 times. 2, 10, 14. Is it okay? Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to convert this to transpose. Okay. Now I am writing these arrows. You see, arrows. Now AB whole transpose is equal to row is going to become column 0, 0, 0. Second row is going to become second column 1, 5, 7. Third row is going to become third column 2, 10, 14. Okay. Now this is AB whole transpose. AB whole transpose. AB whole transpose. Now what you have to do? B transpose, A transpose you have to do. For that B transpose you have to write here. A transpose you have to write here. Let us write. Let us write B transpose. 157. 157. Okay. This one. Now A transpose. A transpose is equal to. Okay. You see this row column is going to become row 0, 1, 2. Okay. A transpose. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply these two. B transpose, A transpose. Let us do it. Okay. Now with 1 we are doing means the same are going to come. 0, 1, 2. With 5 you are doing 2. 0, 5, 10. With 7 you are doing 0, 7, 14. Okay. This is AB whole transpose. This is B transpose into A transpose. Now you compare 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 5, 10, 0, 5, 10, 0, 7, 14, 0, 7, 14. What you are going to write? You are going to write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Okay. Like that, right? And close this. Okay. Let us go for 6th question. See the 6th question. In question number 6, 2 parts are there. First we take first part, we will finish. This is also verification we have to do, verify. We will verify first part, then we rub and we will do second part also. What they have given first part, you see, one matrix they have given. That matrix is not ordinary numbers. It is like a trigonometric expressions. Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay? Okay. What they are asking to verify? A transpose into A is equal to I. Identity matrix has to come. What? By after multiplication of A transpose into that matrix A. Okay. A transpose we will find. Again we will write A by side. Then we multiply A transpose into A. Then we have to get I. Identity matrix. Let us do it. First what you have to do? LHS. LHS side A transpose. See RHS it has to come 1001 I. Why 1001? You see here also you must have observed. They have simply written I. They have not written 2 by 2 I or 3 by 3 I or 1 I. Okay, second order, third order, fourth order like that they have not given. That means you have to take according to situation. Situation requires here 2 by 2. That is why 2 by 2 is going to come like. Okay, let us do it. Let us do it. Okay, we are going to understand the concept easily. First, what you have to do? You have to do A transpose. Let us do A transpose is equal to. Okay, this row is going to become column. Cos alpha, sin alpha. Okay. Now second row is going to become second column. Minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay. Now this is A transpose. Again you write A by side. Why? Because for multiplication purpose you have to write. That is a good practice. Or else you are going to do mistake. Again you write comma, you keep A is equal to, again you copy this. But because A transpose into A you have to do. Okay. So again you copy cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay. Okay. Now you see A transpose A. A transpose A. These two you have to do multiplication. For doing multiplication, what is required? Arrows are required. Okay. A transpose A is equal to. Now you see cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. Directly I am writing. Okay. Now minus minus plus sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha. Okay. Okay. First row, first column over. Now second, first row, second column. Cos alpha, sin alpha. You write down sin alpha, cos alpha. Again, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Write down minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay. Okay. Now let us go second row, first column. Sin alpha, cos alpha. Write down sin alpha, cos alpha. Cos alpha minus sin alpha. Minus I am keeping, but I am writing sin alpha, cos alpha. Both are same. Okay. Both are same. Now second row, second column. Sin alpha into sin alpha. Sin square alpha plus cos alpha into cos alpha. Cos square alpha. Okay. Now if you observe, you see cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is going to become 1. That is equal to, this is 1. Sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, 0. Here also is sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. This is also 0. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1. This is going to become I. 1001 is I. Second order I. 100, 001 is third order I. Okay. Okay. Now we have verified. You can write verified, hence verified, or proved. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Whatever you want, you can write. Okay. This is first part of this question. Second part I am going to write. See, simply here cos area sin is going to come. Sin alpha, cos alpha, minus cos alpha, sin alpha. That means these two areas sin alpha is going to come. These two areas cos alpha is going to come. Same thing you have to prove. Okay. Let us write second part also. Again we are going to do it again. Okay. Okay. See the second part. Same question. A transpose into A is equal to I. Identity matrix you have to prove. But earlier here these two areas cos alpha were there. Now sin alpha has become. Here in those two areas sin alpha was there. Now they have replaced with cos alpha. This also we can do. Same thing it is going to come. Let us do it. First what you have to do, A transpose you have to do. Then by side again you have to write A. Okay, for multiplication easiness. Let us write A transpose. A transpose is equal to, this row is going to become column. Sin alpha cos alpha. This second row is going to become second column. Minus cos alpha sin alpha. Okay. Okay. Now again you have to write A by side. A for multiplication easiness. Again you write sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. Okay. Okay. Now you do calculation. Arrows. Row, column. Okay. Now what you have to write, A transpose into A is equal to, okay, sin alpha sin square alpha minus into minus plus cos alpha cos square alpha. Okay. First row first column over. Now first row second column. Sin alpha cos alpha. Write down sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Again minus sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. Both you can write. Element you can interchange, but matrix you cannot interchange. AB is not equal to BA, but inside element AB is equal to BA. Inside, see, both are different. AB is not equal to BA. Why? Because these are matrices. But AB is equal to BA. Why? Because these two are elements. Okay, that you keep in your mind. Elements you can interchange for multiplication, but matrices you cannot interchange for multiplication. For addition, elements you can even matrices both you can interchange. Why? Because see, A plus B is equal to B plus A matrices. Okay, these concepts you have to know. Concepts you know very well. Then problems you are going to do easily. Okay. Now you see first row is over. First row, first column, first row, second column. Now let us do second row. Cos alpha, sin alpha. I am doing first sin alpha, cos alpha. Sin alpha minus cos alpha. Minus sin alpha, cos alpha I am writing. Okay. Okay. Let us do second one. Second row, second column. See cos alpha into cos alpha. Cos square alpha. Sin alpha into sin alpha plus sin square alpha. Okay. Now you come to final position, conclusion. Okay. Okay. Now you write A. You need not write this one. You write it like this. Okay. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin theta minus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Both are going to get cancelled. 0. Sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Both are going to get cancelled. 0. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. See, alpha is there, but I am telling theta. Why? Because theta we have habituated. This is also I, you see 1001. You understand now? Okay. Now we have verified. You write verified or proved, whatever you want, you can write. Both are correct, not wrong. Okay. Now what we do, we close this class here. 6 questions we have done. 12 questions are there in this exercise. Okay. Remaining 6 questions, let us try to finish in next class. Okay. Thank you very much.